Man, it's great that the Secret Service lets us drive by ourselves sometimes.
Absolutely. And they never stop for Taco Bell like we do.
Nope. No, they do not. They do not have our love for chalupas. Huh. Hey, Barry, take a look at that.
Ah, jeez. He doesn't think honking will actually work, right?
I got an idea. I crack myself up sometimes.
Hello?
Mr. President,
Yes, Hal, what is it?
it's Paul Ryan, sir. He's moving forward with an impeachment trial.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir. It appears somebody honked at a honk to impeach Obama sign. Mr. President, do you happen to be by a TV?
No. Why?
The United Nations just declared world peace.
Really? Well, that's interesting. Joe, pull over. You realize everything you honk at becomes the truth, right?
Really? Dude, that's awesome. Honk for ice cream.
Honk for cool hats.
Yeah.
Wow.
Dude, that's awesome.
Okay.
Honk for Biden to be president.
Whoa, Joe. Not cool.
Hey, that's Mr. President to you.
Oh, shut up, Joe. You're only president because of a stupid technicality.
Hey, Secret Service, I got a traitor in my car. I want him killed. Like super killed.
Honk for Joe to never have been born.
Let's do it.
Hello?
Sir, we have a situation.
What?
It's the president. He's gone missing.
Oh, come on.